Okay, welcome back to CAD That Works. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take that simple circular grommet that we modeled earlier and make it fully parametric and Onshape. That means you can resize it instantly with just a few variable tweaks. So let's get into it and let's go ahead and define a few variables. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the little X in the parentheses. We're going to click that. And let's just call it outer diameter. And let's make that, let's make it 3 inches. Okay, so we've done that. Let's go ahead and do another variable. And let's call it wall thickness. And we'll do that 1/2 inch. Now we could define a whole bunch of other variables adjusting this, but just for the sake of simplicity in this tutorial video, we'll just do a couple of them. So I've got those, this part's already designed. So I'm just gonna take those variables and I'm just gonna drag them up here. Right above sketch. And so how do we use those? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on my sketch number 1, go to edit, and I can see all my dimensions there. So I want that outer diameter, which is with the hole that the grommet will go into, to be controlled by that variable outer diameter up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that, double click that, hit the number command, shift and 3 on most keyboards, and then I'm just going to select that first variable there, outer diameter. Hit enter, and there you go. Now it's controlled by that. Wall thickness. Right now it's already 1/2 inch. Let's go ahead and make that controlled there. The number, wall thickness, hit enter. Now you may have just seen it, but I can create a variable here on the fly. I can double click that dimension and just hit number and just do new variable. And I'll call it, let's call it flange thickness. There you go. And it'll automatically recreate that variable up there for me. So let's hit enter on that. Let's go ahead and close that sketch. So now everything's pretty much the same, right? So but what I can do, I can go up here, I can just double click that. I can make it 4 inches. There you go, adjust the outer diameter 4 inches. Pretty easy. Now one thing you may have noticed there, our flange did shrink quite a bit, so we can control that. Actually, what we're going to do is I'm going to dimension that outer diameter of the flange. I'm just going to dimension that off of that outer wall. That way we'll always be 5/8 of an inch, no matter how big or small I make this grommet. So let's change that outer diameter again. Let's do 2 inches. There you go. Let's make it 8 inches. Just that simple. Everything's adjusted automatically. And that is the beauty and simplicity of variables. Next video, I'll get into creating configuration variables, which is another way to kind of do this, a little cleaner maybe. Anyway, if you like this content, please hit like and subscribe and stay tuned.